Hello everyone, in today's video we will learn about the basics of IELTS reading. But before starting the video, let's see what is IELTS first. So IELTS is an international English language testing system. It is a widely recognized English language proficiency test that measures an individual's ability to read, write, listen, and speak in English. So IELTS is basically a test to check how well you can read, write, listen and speak in English. The IELTS reading test lasts for 60 minutes and consists of 3 passages with a total of 40 questions. The passages in IELTS reading test are generally between 700 and 1000 words long. These passages are taken from books, magazines, newspapers and other sources. These passages are written on a wide range of topics including social issues, natural science, technology and literature. Sometimes there will be pictures and graphs too. This test is made to test your ability to understand the main ideas and details in the passages, and it also checks that whether the student is able to understand the relationship between the different parts of the passages or understand the writer's purpose or tone. There are various types of questions like multiple choice, short answer, true false not given, matching the heading, sentence completion and many more. It is important to note that the reading test doesn't test your knowledge of a specific facts or information, but rather your ability to understand and interpret written English. So, it's good to work on your journal reading skills like skimming and scanning, and also improve your vocabulary and grammar. Your score in the reading test will be given on a scale of 0 to 9, with 0 being the lowest and 9 the highest. The score is based on how many questions you got right, and there is no penalty for getting questions wrong. So try to attempt all the questions. So in short, the IELTS reading test is checking how well you can read and understand the academic texts in English, which is pretty important skill for studying in an English speaking country. I hope in this video you got your basic information about the reading test. If there is any doubt or anything left, you can drop your comment. Definitely I will reply you. Do subscribe my channel for IELTS or English update. Enjoy your learning. Bye.